Hello everyone, welcome to the 13th episode of How to Make a Mod in Bloons Event 6. So today we're going to be doing changing displays of things that are already in the game. Special request from Ruby. So pretty much we always just get right into it. Okay, so I'm here, right? I will be changing the Moab's display to this pretty much. So it has 5 damage states, one where it has no damage, and then there's 4 varieties damaged. So pretty much I'm gonna go here. Actually, here I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna add a new class, and it's gonna be called Moab. Okay, so as you can see, we're in a new class here, and I'm gonna do mod vanilla bloon. All right. You can do mod vanilla content if you want, but don't do that because you have to do all this stuff that the mod vanilla bloon already does for you. So we can just come here, bloon ID. We want to do bloon type dot Moab. You can replace it with whatever you want. Do not replace fortified balloons, however. So what's next? We're gonna come here, display, and I'm gonna add a new class. I'm gonna call this bloon displays, and I'm gonna move. Alright, so I already showed damage types before, but pretty much what I'm gonna do is, oh, I never actually changed it before. Oh well. So I'm gonna comment this out though, just so there's no conflicts, and I'm gonna paste into here, but like not like that, because that gives me not what I want. So we're gonna, well, I'll just use that, doesn't really matter. Okay. So gonna start out with internal class. Well, you can make it public if you want. Then I'm gonna have start Moab display. I'm gonna have mod bloon display, and we're gonna have Moab. So pretty much we're gonna do the, okay, we're gonna do the, oh no, that's what he did. Why does it want me to do that? Oh, wait, okay, I don't know why it is like this, but I cannot do that. So I'm gonna come here, because I guess this, oh, I'll go here. Okay, so yeah, this wants to just be a mod display pretty much. I'm very confused right now. Are there 2? Here. I'll put it in here for some reason. Okay. I am. Wait. What? No, it's not. Wait. Oh, cause right. Okay, we don't want that. Slight mishap there. Okay. So we're gonna start with overriding the base display. For this, we're just gonna do get balloon display. It looks kind of outdated. Okay, we're gonna do balloon type dot Moab. Then we thought there was more parameters in there, but I guess there is not. Okay, and then we're going to do modify display node. And then I guess just for each var renderer in node.get mesh renderers, we are going to renderer.set main texture, your get texture. I'm gonna do star Moab damage. Let's damage. Plus this dot. Oh no, we have to use. Okay, we can't do that because this isn't applying to balloon automatically. So if we have this. No, so okay, this is kind of annoying, but it's fine. Display 1, 1, 2, 2. And actually, we're just gonna copy this, and we're gonna have 3, 3, 4, and then 4. Alright, so now model, and I think, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do 0 dot let's see, display path equals new, and I'm going to get display GYD, and I'm gonna do star Moab display. And now I'm just gonna copy this 4 times and just do this. Anyway, so this should work as far as I know. So we're gonna test. Always test. Here, I'll keep it here. Right, okay. Anyways, we're just going to see if this works. Oh, I forgot this. Okay, we go to sandbox mode. Aha. Okay, stop it. We're going to remove this. 0, 1, 2, 3. Model dot apply display star mode display. Okay, just like that. You're going to restart. After this, I also make an example of making the balloon. A Moab, I guess. Right, we should be good. Hopefully. Mayhaps. Right here. Okay, see that? The outline does not change color because we did not change it. But if we come here, just grab like a Hydra rocket pods, rocket storm. You can see it works like perfectly. Okay. Alright, okay, we can close the game. Give a second to save the preferences. And right now I'm gonna come here. Star Moab. Also because there's a fast Moab. Take it quick, okay? So we're gonna do mod Bloon. Bloon type dot Moab. Alright, we're going to do bloon model dot speed times equals 2 and 2.5. Okay. Anyway, to make the display only apply to this, we would do the same thing we did with these, but with your Moab display instead. Anyway, also, if you don't want it to have any displays, like damage states, you can come here. And you can just do that. This will just work. It will make it so your balloon has no damage states. But this is your Moab. You can make it not a Moab if you want. So, like bloon model dot is Moab, that makes it a Moab. Bloon model dot is camo, that makes it camo. Bloon model dot is boss, this makes it a boss. Bloon model dot is base, this is actually new, I believe. But if it's a base balloon, you can set it to true. Seems like we actually can't change that. Okay. Is grow, it's just a regrow balloon. And then I believe that's all of it. No, is fortified. This is if it's fortified. Oh, there's more. Is it immune to being slowed down? Is it invulnerable so it can't be hit? Is it a rock? That's what the rock balloons do. Is it saved? I'm not sure if balloons are saved, but it's a thing. Okay, yeah, that one exists there. And then these return just those. And then is okay, I don't know why this is here. Right, and then you can change the regrow speed here. So I thought at least you could grow. I remember seeing it somewhere in here. Maybe like, no, I understand now. We want to go here. There's a whole bunch of different overrides you could do. So such as, you know, these, but I feel like there should be a regrow rate, yeah. And what it regrows to. You want to make it so it regrows into something, but vanilla balloons do not do that. Anyways, I will be removing these. Actually, I'll be commenting them out. For none of these are true. Okay. Love the game. It should just work. As Jensen from NVIDIA said, it just works. Okay. So this is our balloon. It's exactly the same. Why? Because we did not we did not actually, because this is before and it does that so that this doesn't mess with any of the mods, pretty much. So what we're gonna have to do here, just change this. Star Moab. Star Moab. And it understands. It always understands. Okay. Then I can just like put this in everything. So we have damage 3. This is 4. 2. 1. Okay. Now, this should work. This is why I test our stuff, folks. Here we go. So, this should now work. There is no icon. I can fix that after the video. But you already know how to set icon, so it doesn't really matter. As you can see, this is our beautiful star balloon. It is much faster than a normal Moab, which that's the normal Moab. It's hard to tell. You would do the same thing when changing the display of a tower, pretty much. So, yeah, I think that's all for now. Next time, I will do something. Also, if you look in here, you have our star Moab, which is just a white square because we did not make a backup if we did not have an icon. Anyways, that is all. Peace.